Hi there everyone, welcome to Divine Art. Today we'll be making another easy seascape painting. It's gonna be a night view of seascape. I've got 16 by 20 inches canvas to start with. So let's get ready with all your art supplies. We don't have to draw or sketch anything for this painting. So it is a no sketch painting. Just a straight line will work. We are using a mixture of green, blue and brown for the horizon line. All the details will be given in description below. We'll be using straight brush strokes all over the painting and slowly spreading the paint towards upward direction. As we move slowly towards upward direction, we'll keep on adding more white to our mixture. Now, without washing my brush, started painting the top of the canvas and adding blue-green slowly as coming towards horizon line. Now we'll start working on the sea. As it is a night view, we'll be using some darker shades. Mixture of blue and green will work for this. I would like to suggest again straight brush strokes all over the painting. I didn't use turquoise blue this time as that's a light color. That's why that's suitable for a bright view of seascape. I'm using round paintbrush from Daler & Rowney's graduate series almost everywhere in this painting. This brush has got long handle and medium stiff bristles, and I'm really comfortable working with this. You may use large flat brush for this painting. That's also a good option. I don't know if it's happened with you guys also that out of all brushes you make one brush as your favorite and keep on using it. I'm really interested to know from you guys which is your favorite brush. Although when I started painting, filbert shape was my favorite, that gradually changed to round shape. At the bottom, using a mixture of black and brown. With brown I mean burnt umber in this painting. Don't worry if the painting doesn't look like a seascape at this point, as we'll be adding more layers to the painting. And the same brown black color to the little island in the sea. And now, painting the corners of the canvas according to the preceding color. I can do it at the end of the painting, but for that I have to mix the colors again to match with. Giving the second layer to the sea till the paint dries for the sea. We'll give another layer to the night sky. is the time to use white for the waves. I'm using palette knife, however it is okay if you use flat brush. Just make sure the horizon line is straight. For the seashore, adding a lot of white as the waves ends here. Similarly, the same procedure near the small island, using brush wherever required. For the seashore, I'm giving dabbing motion to give the sense of little mess made by the waves. Adding some white on the top of the canvas, as this area has comparatively little more glow. calling this painting finished as I'm satisfied by the overall look. I would love to know your feedback about it. Comment below how it goes for you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.